Morocco! Hi, good morning and welcome to day 7, I think it is. Just leaving camping Villanova now and we're heading down to Valencia. It's a 5-hour ride. We're going to stay on the coast, then we're going to fix up AVANTIKA tomorrow, have a few days rest in Valencia, and with the help of Stefan, once again, thank you very much. So we just popped into this little town to get a nice view of the Mediterranean Sea. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. Entering Valencia, and such a beautiful museum there, I think it is, to greet you. We're going to be stopping here for a few days. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.